Every second your body builds thousands of proteins. A chain of amino acids, the alphabet of life. Up to thousands of them, linked in sequence. One specific order. One specific chain. This chain then folds, in milliseconds, into a precise three-dimensional shape. The number of possible shapes, 10 to the power of 300. More than atoms in the entire universe. If a protein searched randomly, it would take longer than the universe has existed. Yet it folds in milliseconds. Form equals function. The 3D shape determines everything. Which molecules bind? Which reactions run? Which signals are transmitted? A misfolded protein causes disease. Alzheimer. Parkinson. Cancer. The shape is the meaning. For 50 years, no one could predict the shape from the sequence. Then in 2020, DeepMind's AlphaFold solved it. 92% accuracy. 200 million protein structures. All known proteins on Earth. Free. Public. Nobel Prize, Chemistry, 2024. What this unlocks: design drugs that fit any protein like a key. Find new antibiotics. Understand rare diseases. Engineer enzymes that eat plastic, already discovered using AlphaFold. Build proteins that never existed in nature. AlphaFold was the first domino. The next ones are already falling.